You might recognise this as Tracy Island, headquarters of International Rescue, but right now I'm just using it to represent a mountain. It probably looks a little bit different to your mountain. Yours will be made of paper and mine's made of plastic, but they work in the same way. They both represent elevated pieces of land. An elevated thing is just a thing that's higher up. So a mountain, which is very tall, but also hills and steep inclines are all elevated pieces of land. Now think about this. When rain falls from the sky, what's it going to hit first? Well, logically, it will hit the things that are higher up because there's less distance to travel. That means they hit elevated pieces of land, including mountains. Now you'll see that there's lots of nooks and crannies and crevices and ridges in the side of here. When the rain falls from the sky and hits the mountain, it follows these paths to form streams. The streams unite into each other to form rivers, and they'll be collected at the bottom. They might form lakes or they might travel to the coast. But the important thing to remember is that when the rain hits elevated pieces of land, including mountains, they form streams, which form rivers, which then go beyond. Hope that makes things a little bit clearer. Bye bye.